Welcome back to the channel where we break down the world of investing and make it simple, fun, and most importantly, profitable for you. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, today's video is packed with value you won't want to miss. Let me ask you, do you want to build real wealth? Not just a few extra bucks here and there, but the kind of wealth that can change your life, your family's future, and maybe even let you retire early? If you're nodding your head right now, you're in the right place. Imagine this, you, living your dream life, maybe traveling the world, buying your dream home, or just having the freedom to do what you love. That's the power of smart investing. And yes, it all starts with taking action, even if you only have $500 to begin with. Remember, every fortune starts with that first step. Today, we're not just talking about any stocks, we're talking about life-changing investments, companies that have already transformed entire industries and are still pushing the boundaries of what's possible. I'm going to show you how to put your $500 to work in two game-changing companies that have the potential to grow your money faster than you ever thought possible. The first company is a global powerhouse in online retail and cloud computing. Think about how often you shop online or use digital services. The second is a trailblazer in consumer electronics, software, and digital ecosystems, shaping the way we live, work, and connect. These aren't just companies, they're part of our daily lives and their influence is only growing. In this video, I'll break down exactly why these stocks are smart buys right now, how to get started even if you're a total beginner, and what you can learn from legendary investors like Warren Buffett. So if you're ready to take control of your financial future, smash that like button. Let's see if we can hit 1,000 likes. Share this video with your friends, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on the next big investing opportunity. Let's dive in and make your $500 work for you. Alright, first up we've got Amazon, ticker symbol AMZN. If you've ever shopped online, chances are you've crossed paths with this absolute juggernaut of a company. Amazon isn't just a store, it's a global phenomenon that's completely transformed the way we buy, sell, and even think about shopping. From its humble beginnings as an online bookstore in Jeff Bezos' garage back in 1994, Amazon has grown into a multi-trillion-dollar empire that touches nearly every aspect of our daily lives. This company is an absolute beast. Just look at their fulfillment centers. These are massive, high-tech warehouses buzzing with activity 24/7, shipping out millions of packages every single day. The scale is mind-blowing. Amazon's logistics network is so advanced, it's practically a marvel of modern engineering. They've set the gold standard for speed and efficiency, making two-day shipping the norm and raising the bar for everyone else in the industry. I mean, who hasn't ordered something from Amazon? Whether it's a last-minute birthday gift, a new phone charger, or even groceries, Amazon has become the go-to destination for just about everything. It's almost hard to remember a time before you could get whatever you needed delivered right to your doorstep, sometimes in just a matter of hours. You buy a toothbrush, a TV, a freaking tiny house, it's all there, the sheer variety is staggering. Need a new laptop? Done. Want to try out a weird kitchen gadget you saw on TikTok? Amazon's got it. They've made shopping so easy and convenient it's almost addictive. And it's not just regular folks like us who are impressed. Warren Buffett, one of the world's most legendary investors, is a huge fan of Amazon, and for good reason. They dominate e-commerce. It's like the entire internet is their storefront. But that's not all, they're crushing it in cloud computing with Amazon Web Services, AWS. AWS is the backbone of the internet, quietly powering everything from your favorite streaming services to major corporations' data storage. It's a business that's growing at lightning speed and raking in billions in profit for Amazon every year. Think of it as the invisible force powering a ton of the apps and websites you use every day. When you watch a movie on Netflix, order food from your favorite delivery app, or even check your bank account online, there's a good chance AWS is working behind the scenes to make it all happen. Amazon isn't just selling stuff, they're building the digital infrastructure of the future, and that's a big reason why their growth potential is absolutely insane. They're constantly innovating, from drones delivering packages to developing their own grocery stores. Amazon Fresh and Amazon Go are changing the way we shop for food, making checkout lines a thing of the past. Their Prime Air drones are straight out of a sci-fi movie, promising to deliver packages in under 30 minutes. And let's not forget Alexa, their voice assistant, which has become a staple in millions of homes, helping people control their lights, play music, and even order more stuff from Amazon with just their voice. Imagine, you buy a share of Amazon today. Maybe you skip your daily coffee run for a week, put that $20 towards Amazon stock. It might not seem like much at first, but that small investment could be the start of something big. Over time, as Amazon continues to grow and expand into new markets, your little piece of the company could become a lot more valuable. Years later, that small sacrifice could be worth thousands. That's the power of long-term investing in a company like Amazon. The magic of compounding returns means that even modest investments can grow into serious wealth if you give them enough time. And with Amazon's track record of innovation and relentless growth, the odds are definitely in your favor. Think about it, Amazon is everywhere. They're like that friend who's always winning, always ahead of the game. Whether you're shopping for holiday gifts, streaming your favorite shows, or running a small business online, Amazon is there, quietly making everything run smoother and faster. Their reach is so vast it's almost hard to wrap your head around it. They're not afraid to take risks, to try new things, and that's what makes them so successful. Amazon has a culture of experimentation. They're always testing new ideas, launching new products, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Sometimes those bets don't pay off, but when they do, they change entire industries. That willingness to innovate is a huge part of why Amazon has stayed on top for so long. Investing is all about diversifying, spreading your money around, but having some Amazon in your portfolio. That's a power move. It's like anchoring your investments with a company that's proven it can adapt, grow, and thrive no matter what the world throws at it. Of course, you should never put all your eggs in one basket, but a little Amazon can go a long way. It's like having a front row seat to the future of shopping, technology, and who knows what else Amazon dreams up next. They're constantly pushing boundaries, and that's what makes them a smart investment. From cashierless stores to artificial intelligence, from logistics robots to cloud computing, Amazon is always at the cutting edge, shaping the way we live and work. And let's not forget, Amazon isn't just about shopping and cloud computing. They're a major player in entertainment too. With Prime Video, they're producing award-winning movies and TV shows, competing with the likes of Netflix and Disney. Their Kindle e-readers have revolutionized the way we read books, and Amazon Music is giving Spotify a run for its money. They're building an entire ecosystem that keeps customers coming back for more. Behind the scenes, Amazon is also investing heavily in technology and sustainability. They're developing advanced robotics to make their warehouses even more efficient, and they've pledged to reach net zero carbon emissions by 2040. That's a huge commitment, and it shows they're thinking about the long-term impact of their business on the planet. Amazon currently boasts a market cap of $1.83 trillion. This e-commerce and cloud computing juggernaut pulled in a staggering $637.96 billion in revenue for 2024. And when it comes to profitability, they're no slouch. Net income came in at $59.25 billion. That translates to an earnings per share of $5.66. With a price-to-earnings ratio of 30.50, the market is still pricing Amazon as a high-growth play, especially considering its continued expansion into AI, logistics, advertising, and even healthcare. Amazon may not pay a dividend, but that hasn't stopped investors from piling in. Why? Because the long-term growth story is still intact. AWS continues to dominate cloud services, and new innovations in fulfillment, AI integration, and global expansion are keeping Amazon right at the center of the digital economy. Remember, investing in the stock market always involves risk. Do your research, understand the company, and make informed decisions. Amazon's story is impressive, but it's important to look at the numbers, read up on their latest projects, and make sure you're comfortable with your investment choices. But with Amazon, the potential is huge. They're a company that's changing the world. One package, one cloud service, one innovation at a time. Every day, they're finding new ways to make life easier, more convenient, and more connected for millions of people around the globe. And by investing in them, you can be a part of that journey. So there you have it, Amazon, the e-commerce giant, the cloud computing king, a Warren Buffett favorite, and a potential gold mine for your portfolio. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, Amazon is a company that deserves a spot on your radar. Don't sleep on this one. The future is being built right now, and Amazon is leading the charge. If you want to invest in innovation, growth, and the next big thing, Amazon is a name you can't afford to ignore. Next up, we're talking about a company that needs no introduction, Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. These guys are legends. From their iconic logo to their sleek stores, Apple has become a symbol of innovation, creativity, and cutting-edge technology all over the world. Whether you're a diehard fan or just someone who appreciates good design, it's hard to ignore the impact Apple has had on our lives. They've got iPhones, Macs, Apple Watches. Basically, they run the tech world. But it doesn't stop there. Apple's ecosystem is massive. From AirPods to iPads, from Apple TV to HomePod, their products are everywhere. Each device is designed to work seamlessly with the others, creating a user experience that's smooth, intuitive, and honestly a little bit addictive. Warren Buffett is a huge fan of Apple, and it's easy to see why. They're all about innovation. Under the leadership of visionaries like Steve Jobs and now Tim Cook, Apple has consistently pushed the boundaries of what technology can do. They don't just make gadgets, they create experiences that change the way we live, work, and connect with each other. They don't just follow trends, they set them. Remember when the iPhone first came out? It changed everything. Suddenly the world was carrying the internet in their pockets, snapping high-quality photos, and downloading apps for just about anything. Apple didn't just launch a phone, they launched a revolution that transformed entire industries, from music to photography to communication. Apple's brand loyalty is insane. People wait in line for hours, sometimes days, to get their hands on the latest iPhone. It's not just about owning a phone, it's about being part of a community, a movement, a lifestyle. Apple fans are some of the most dedicated in the world, and that passion is a huge part of what makes the company so successful. That's some serious dedication, and it's that kind of loyalty that translates into big bucks for investors. When people are this excited about a brand, it means repeat business, word-of-mouth marketing, and a steady stream of revenue. Apple's ability to keep customers coming back year after year is a dream come true for anyone looking to invest in a stable, growing company. But it's not just about the gadgets. Apple's financial strength is off the charts. They've got more cash on hand than some small countries. Their balance sheet is legendary, with billions in reserves that give them the freedom to invest in new ideas, weather economic storms, and reward their shareholders with dividends and buybacks. That means they've got the resources to keep innovating, keep growing, and keep making their investors happy. Apple pours billions into research and development every year, always searching for the next big thing. Whether it's new hardware, groundbreaking software, or entirely new categories, they're always thinking ahead. Apple holds a jaw-dropping market cap of $2.96 trillion, making it one of the most valuable companies in history. In 2024, the company generated $391.04 billion in revenue, with a hefty net income of $93.74 billion. That gives us earnings per share of $6.31 and a P/E ratio of 31.22, showing the market's continued confidence in Apple's ability to innovate and maintain its premium pricing power. Unlike Amazon, Apple does pay a dividend, currently yielding 0.51%. It's modest, but consistent, and backed by one of the strongest balance sheets in the world. Apple's business isn't just about iPhones anymore. With services, wearables, and the ecosystem strategy playing a bigger role than ever, it's clear that Apple isn't just selling devices, it's locking in lifetime customers. Investing in Apple is like investing in a money printing machine. They're a cash cow, and they show no signs of slowing down. Every quarter, they rake in billions from product sales, services, and accessories. And with new revenue streams like Apple Pay and Apple Card, they're finding even more ways to grow. They're constantly expanding into new markets, from streaming services to healthcare technology. Apple TV Plus is taking on Hollywood, Apple Fitness Plus is changing how we work out, and the Apple Watch is helping people monitor their health in ways we never imagined. They're not just a tech company anymore, they're a lifestyle brand, a health partner, and an entertainment powerhouse. Think about it, Apple is everywhere. They're in your pocket, on your wrist, in your living room. Their products are used by kids in classrooms, professionals in boardrooms, and families at home. Apple has woven itself into the fabric of our daily routines, making their brand almost impossible to escape. They're a part of our daily lives, and that's not changing anytime soon. Now, Apple stock isn't cheap. It's one of the most valuable companies on the planet, and for good reason. But don't let the price tag scare you off. There are ways to get in on the action, even if you're just starting out. But remember, you don't need to buy a whole share. You can start small, invest what you can afford, and watch your money grow over time. Thanks to fractional shares and easy-to-use investment apps, anyone can become an Apple investor. It's never been more accessible to own a piece of one of the world's greatest companies. Investing in Apple is like investing in the future of technology. They're a company that's always pushing the boundaries, always innovating, always finding new ways to amaze us. From artificial intelligence to augmented reality, Apple is exploring the frontiers of what's possible, and they have the resources and talent to turn big ideas into reality. And who knows what the future holds for Apple? Maybe they'll invent teleportation next. Okay, maybe not, but with Apple you never know. They're rumored to be working on everything from self-driving cars to virtual reality headsets. The possibilities are endless, and that's what makes following Apple so exciting, and that's what makes them such an exciting investment. So there you have it. Apple, the tech titan, the innovation machine, a Warren Buffett favorite, and a potential game changer for your portfolio. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, Apple offers a unique blend of stability, growth, and excitement that's hard to find anywhere else. Don't miss out on this one. Apple isn't just a company. It's a phenomenon, a force of nature in the tech world. If you're looking for a stock with staying power, innovation, and a loyal fan base, Apple is a name you'll want to remember. The future is bright, and with Apple, you can be a part of it. So there you have it. Two incredible companies with the potential to turn your $500 into something truly awesome. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Start small, do your research, and watch your money grow over time. The question is, which one fits your portfolio better? the growth-fueled disruption of Amazon, or the dividend-paying stability and innovation machine that is Apple? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you want exclusive stock tips, in-depth analysis, real-time trade alerts, and free investing guides, join the Stocks Galore Patreon today and take your investing game to the next level. Our members there get full in-depth analysis on most of these stocks I mention here. Head over to patreon.com/stocksgalore and become part of our growing community of smart investors. Link is in the description. Now tell me, which company are you most excited about? Amazon or Apple? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to smash that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more epic investing advice. See you in the next video.